Even before seeing your attorney, people ask, what should I do to help preserve evidence in my case? Both documents and also witness statements. First of all, before even seeing your attorney, think about all the important documents that might be related to your case. Get them preserved. Make copies of them. If it's in data form, make an extra copy of the disk. Preserve your important papers, documents, and data. The other question people ask is, what about getting witness statements? Should that be done by you, the client, me, the attorney, or our office, or an investigator? That's a very complicated question, and it's one that we address on an individual basis. So I'll talk to you about that individually. So let's right now talk about what you can do to preserve the evidence. First of all, there's formal statements that you can take from witnesses. We call those notarized statements. You can put them on a pre-printed form. Our office can provide that to you before seeing us. You can also do it on a simple piece of paper. Believe it or not, pen and paper, pencil and paper, any kind of writing at all by the witness themselves is a perfectly good statement. It does not have to be formal and notarized. Notarized means you simply go before a notary and it's a sworn document. And that's more impressive as far as being under oath. But to get a statement from a witness, just make sure that they have their name, addresses, and all telephone numbers, and if they would, their driver's license on that statement. The other thing people ask is, what do I do if things are just in a computer? If they're in the computer, preserve them. Email statements from people work perfectly fine, but remember, an email is not a signed document, and it's difficult to prove up. You can take the same formal and informal witness statements. They can be scanned in, and they can be preserved and emailed to you and to your attorney. The other question people ask is, what about things like Facebook? People are putting horrendous things on Facebook that can be used against them in trials. Some of the witnesses against you may be very active on Facebook, and what you should do is draw down those Facebook pages, save the Facebook pages, and print them out before they're deleted. The other question people ask is, what about text messages on my phone? Each carrier has different rules about whether they keep the text messages in a database or whether the only place the text message exists is on the phone. If the only place the text message exists is on the phone, it's best for you to try to go to your carrier, print those text messages out, or even take a picture with a camera of the text messages before they're deleted. So do everything you can, even before seeing your attorney, to preserve the evidence. And if you have any questions about this, just call us.